Let me show you how you can switch between Facebook Profile and Meta Business Suite. So let's start the video lesson. When we log into Facebook Profile, we land on Facebook feed page. To enter Meta Business Suite, we need to click Facebook profile image on the right side of the page and select Meta Business Suite tab from this menu. Now we are inside Meta Business Suite. We can select any page by clicking here. To switch back to Facebook Profile, we need to select Edit Facebook Page under the cover image. And next, click Manage on Facebook tab, which will take us to our Facebook account. To go back to Facebook feed page, we need to click this Facebook icon image. And to go back to Facebook Profile main page, we need to click this Facebook profile image, and again click Profile tab. I am hoping this video lesson will be helpful to you. You can subscribe to my channel, and click the bell notification icon, to get notified when more and more videos are uploaded to my channel.